Good morning, family, and happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Today is the 21st, March 21st, and I'm home. I hope that you all are doing well. I'm going to address the elephant in the room because it's pretty crazy right now. Everything is a little hectic. People are everywhere, emotionally, physically. I mean, everything is in disarray. Attitudes are flaring. Some people want to take charge of situations. Others, want to ride this out. I don't think we have a choice but to, as the world, but to ride it out. And hopefully this all ends soon. As for me, I am still working. The hubs and I are still working. They need us there at work. So I'm going to need your prayers and for our health, because we have to still be out there, unfortunately. I'd rather stay at home and ride this out, but it's not an option right now. So, yeah, we need some prayers. Today I plan on meeting with the sis and going to the supermarket because she needs some things and so do I for the house. So we're gonna go and do that, and then just come back home and cook. And I've been cleaning. I've been cleaning like a crazy. I mean, I normally clean like a crazy lady, but I have been really going in with disinfecting. I just am grateful that I stocked up before all of this happened with disinfectants and stuff like that. So wiping doorknobs and stuff like that. So you guys have to do the same thing, and don't forget to clean your cell phones. Please clean those cell phones every single day, at least. I know, we're all on our cell phones and stuff like that, and we wash our hands, but they collect bacteria as well. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to have some breakfast now. I'm catching up on some YouTube videos. And then I'm going to meet with the sis and head out and see what we can do. There's also something that I want to show you. How to make, I know that the masks are really hard to find right now. But if you have, this is better than nothing. A Bounty towel, I'm going to show you how to create a mask with that. All you need is a paper towel, some rubber bands, and a stapler. So we're going to do that together. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me make some coffee and some breakfast, and then I'm going to shower and get dressed and hit the streets. Right? So I will see you guys in a little bit. Oh, there's also some Amazon products that I want to share with you guys. Some stuff that, I think I spoke about it in a previous video that I was waiting. Like, there's one item that's like a spring decor that I want to share with you guys. So, I'll be sharing that with you all. So I see you guys in a little bit. I wanted to let you guys know that, please remember to take your vitamins. Take vitamins. It's very important. Try to stock up if you don't have, especially vitamin C. Take your vitamins, please. Okay, so I'm all dressed and I am waiting for my sister. People, I am tired of cleaning. Y'all doing the same thing? Exhausted. knobs constantly when I go through our garbage. It's exhausting. So I'm just sitting here catching up on some more videos while I wait for Sis, and so we can head out. All right, I will see you guys in a bit. So Sis and I just got back to the supermarkets. Actually, the supermarket wasn't too bad, and you can find things like Bounty and toilet paper and cleaning products in your local 99-cent stores. That's what we did. So we went there and we racked up on the stuff that we needed. I'm going to show you guys how to do the mask now. All right, I see you guys in a bit. Okay, so this is an alternative to a mask. So you're going to take a paper Bounty, right? A regular paper Bounty. Now this isn't as extravagant or, you know, as a real mask is, but you're just going to take, but this is better than nothing, okay? So you're going to fold it fan style, right? So like an accordion style, right? You're going to take your Bounty and you're just going to fold it, just like a fan, right? I'm just going to try to do it quickly for you guys, but you can do it better on your own. All right, so it's going to look like this, like an accordion, right? Then you're going to take the ends. You're going to take your rubber bands. You need rubber bands and you need a stapler. So you're going to just take the ends. You're going to put one rubber band through it. Then you're going to fold it, right? And then you're going to staple that. Let's see. Right? And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. You're going to put your rubber band through. And then you're going to fold that. And then you're going to put your mask on. It's going to be... So, and that's how it looks. So you may have to put a couple of staples on the side, like 2 or 3, just to hold the Bounty. But this goes around your ears, and then you can just open it, and it will be a mask. And you can just cover your nose like that, or your mouth, and this goes around your ears. Okay, so that's, you know, it's an alternative if you don't have a mask. So just wanted to show you guys that. And you look like this. Okay, better than no mask at all. Your ears may be floppy, but listen, this is what's more important. Alright guys, so it's dark and it's kind of late. Just gonna hang out here, watch some television, probably catch up on the news, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Night.